Hello guys, welcome back to Yeeps. Today we are joined by the new pets update with these little buggers. They're so cute, aren't they?
Kitty, let me cook something good up for the dog.
Yeah, you heard what you said, cooking. First, I'm going to show you how to get in this new area in my sandbox called Meme VR. That's what I'm in right now. So, once you're in, you're going to either head to that flower, but I like it over here more. Right here, there's also some beds for pets to go. Get tired. These things are just so cute. And let's see, we got the frisbee, we got the ball.
You got something good for your dog.
They can go and get that. But the way to get in there is you gotta get it in here with this cooking house.
Yeah, I got some food for the dog.
You didn't have to cut me off like that. I can never know we were nothing. I don't even need your love, but you treat me like a stranger, and I feel so loved.
These pets, I already call them. Let's see. There's these pets, there's Laser. There's a bed. I created stop sign. Grooming thing. There's a name tag. I'm not gonna name it. You throw it, see who gets it. Also, the frisbee's in there. That's actually. Who's gonna get it? Also, your pets, every time they level up, they'll bring you a new item. I'll show it on screen. You can get a mini butt coin and then you can eat it. That's sick. So, yeah, that's basically all. Peace.